Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to look up books in our book catalog. So go to Mesa Ridge High School, the website, hover over academics and hit the library tab. That's going to bring you to the library homepage. And if you scroll, the first thing you'll see is search for books, and then it says search Full Destiny. That is our book catalog. So if I want books on fantasy, I can type right into the search bar and hit enter. And it's going to pop us over to our Destiny Discover page, and it's going to look up all of the books that have fantasy in them. Any of our ebooks are going to have the E and say ebook right here. If you open it up, it's going to go directly to Sora, which is our ebook collection. It'll ask you to log in with your Google account information, so your Gmail and that password for your Gmail. And then once you're in, you can borrow the book. Any of our physical books will have a in or out symbol on the left-hand side corner, and we'll say book with a call number and a location of where it is on the shelf. These also have information on the sublocation, if it's somewhere else in the library, publication, interest level, things like that. So if you click into the record, you can put it on hold. If you put a book on hold, we will deliver it during your advisory when you're in. You can add it to favorites if you really like it. You can add it to a collection. You can share it with a friend. If it's a book for class, you can pull up the citation. So we have MLA, APA, and Chicago, so those are correct citations. Underneath, you have more information about the book, reviews if people have reviewed it. You can explore similar subjects or see what the author has also written. And then you get to see how many copies that we have. And also on the right-hand side, it'll give you suggestions of similar titles that you may be interested in. So if you press hold, it'll ask you to log in using your Google information, but then you can get your book delivered to your advisory. And that's how we search books. You can also go to search options. Do keywords, title, author, subject. Make sure you are in Mesa Ridge High School. You can choose your format, book or ebook, and then hit search. And that is how you find books in the library while not in the library.